Mark, you've not driven a Raptor R, but guess who has?
Dave has.
And it was a lot of fun. 700 horsepower, just amazing vehicle. But guess what? Ford said that was not enough. I think Ford knows there's competition coming from another brand down the road.
Absolutely.
We're pretty sure there is a TRX coming, so they're hedging their bets that people want more horsepower. And I used to call these super trucks, Mark. And this is a hyper truck now. 900 horsepower under the hood of this thing.
That supercharger is crazy.
That's right. Right, Ford is really coming at it, man. All the carbon fiber and stuff. I love the look of this. Just the appearance of this truck looks freaking wicked. But can you imagine driving 900 horsepower under a pickup truck like this?
I can't. I want to. I want to do that. I want to take this out to the desert, and we're here in Las Vegas at SEMA.
Yeah.
The best place to showcase this. I would love to take this out to the desert and put it through its paces. You see the videos all the time. That 900 horsepower is so responsive. You get on that, and this thing just goes.
Yeah, and I can say at 720, whatever the current Raptor R is, I had a blast with it. Of course, you feel the needle of the gas go like this. So they spec this thing out all kinds of carbon fiber, man. Really cool. White with the Ford Performance colors looks great. The rigid off-road lights on it. The new hood with the carbon fiber in there looks really good. Of course, you know, all their sponsorship all along this thing.
Big Method wheels. This thing just screams performance. It screams off-road.
Yeah.
I mean, this is what you're looking at when you're looking at a race truck. I mean, this has standard street body panels.
Yeah.
If you swap this out with the race truck stuff, your big Baja tires in the back, it's a race truck ready, you know, to hit the desert trails.
Right. Of course, we get I think I would want something a little bit better than this for tonneau covers, but ultimately, Mark, this thing is built for speed, fun.
Absolutely.
Have a blast with this. You know, the what is it? A Whipple 3.0 that they've put under the hood now to get this. If Ford is willing to stand by that and do that from the factory,
that's huge. I mean, that's a huge thing. The fact that you get this in this way, you don't have to get it, send it back out for a performance tune, have the charger put on it. You got that big 9.75 differential in the back. You've got that gearing, you've got that high end to really get those speeds.
Yeah, I, for one, am very pumped. Ford Performance under the hood there. Look at this bad boy, man. Looks freaking great. I love it. I like that it's not crazy, man. It blends well with the truck, though I know if you're spending $115,000, $130,000, you probably want something that looks obnoxious. Well, that's all right. We got that big 3-liter turbo under that, and it's gonna make this zoom. About this, I mean, this is a concept, obviously, but it does showcase where I think Ford can take the next vehicle if they want to. We do know they did delay the next F-150 for about a year because of all the tariffs and stuff going on. So this is kind of a easy, low-hanging fruit for them to get some excitement still with the Raptor R. If the next Raptor R is 900 horsepower, the current one is about 115 to 119 to buy. Yeah. You're probably talking 140, right?
Oh, easily.
And that's a tough one. I love these pickup trucks, and I like using pickup trucks for what they're intended for. So I don't know, Mama Bear would let me have this one, but I'd damn sure like to try. So comments below, you know what to do. Smash the like button. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. We're live from SEMA 2025. And Mark, would you like this in your driveway?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. So whether it be 2-wheel drive,
4-wheel drive,
it does not matter what you drive as long as you're having fun in your ride and you got 900 horsepower. We're out. Peace.
Peace, everybody.